Welcome to TPM Vid's Disney Beat Spotlight Series, where we take a look at a specific Disney-related ride, event, or performance. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. We also have Instagram and Twitter. You can find us at TPM Videos.
Hope we're having a fun playtime over here.
June 30th, 2018 marked the official opening of Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios. One of the rides in this new land is Alien Swirling Saucers, which sends riders whipping and spinning with the green aliens. The ride's usually exposed to outdoor light, but as you can see here, from daylight to night, it looks very different. Night has a much more immersive feel to it, where the lighting shows itself off best. I highly recommend a ride at night. Alien Swirling Saucers has 8 different songs, and each song has a different lighting package. You're always guaranteed a unique experience every time you ride. So here's a complete on-ride POV of Alien Swirling Saucers. And be sure to stick around after the POV to hear samples of some of the other songs, as well as some off-ride footage in daylight and at night.
The rocket, and who is not? The claw knows all.
Watch your step, and thank you for coming.
Farewell, my friends.
Now here are some of the other songs you'll hear if you ride. And just take a look at how different the experience looks in daylight and at night. So, what are your thoughts on alien swirling saucers? Are you gonna be riding it on your next trip to Hollywood Studios? I'd love to know. Leave a comment down below to start a conversation, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you have any videos from the Disney parks that you'd like to share with us to be used in future videos, follow the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Click the TPM icon on the screen to subscribe to this channel, and check out some of these other videos which we're sure you'll like.